Do you know there are more cryptocurrency wallets in El Salvador than bank accounts? Well, El Salvador, a traditional sugar and coffee exporter, approved a new law in June requiring businesses to accept Bitcoin as payment for goods and services. In September, El Salvador became the first government to recognize Bitcoin as legal money. A small Central American country known for its volcanoes declared Bitcoin to be a legitimate currency, which means that citizens can now use Bitcoin to buy groceries, coffee, gasoline, and other daily essentials. The law also stipulates that the tax contribution can be paid in Bitcoin and that Bitcoin exchanges will not be subject to a capital gain tax, joining a group of 11 countries across the world that do not tax earnings from Bitcoin sales, which includes Hong Kong, Malaysia, and Portuguese. El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele has been a big supporter of cryptocurrency. Recently announced that 3 million people, or 46% of the country's population, had downloaded the Chivo Bitcoin wallet. By contrast, in 2017, only 29% of Salvadorans had bank accounts. The support for cryptocurrency is such that the overall El Salvador's treasury holds 1,120 bitcoins, according to official data, which is worth $66 million. To incentivize its use, the government even launched a digital wallet app giving away $30 worth of Bitcoin to each and every citizen. Why El Salvador is choosing Bitcoins? We will explain you. The president believes that legalizing Bitcoin would spur investment in the country and help around 70% of the Salvadorans who don't have access to traditional financial services. It would boost financial inclusion, investment, tourism, innovation, and economic development, according to the president. The bill created a government trust fund to ensure immediate conversion to US currency. Traditionally, banks and other financial institutions typically charge hefty fees to process the money transfers. That is too much for the impoverished country's economy, which is heavily dependent on around $6 billion in remittance sent home each year, a nearly quarter of its gross domestic product, with about a fifth of households relying on financial inflows. Experts believe it's unclear how extremely volatile cryptocurrency can help the unbanked, and only time will tell if the new system leads to real investment in El Salvador. Thank you so much for watching this special edition on Crypto TV. Stay tuned for more such updates. Thank you.